welcome back to my channel and welcome to another shopping haul video, and a big hello to people who are watching me for the first time. Hi, I'm Ridhima. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, food, vlogs, whatever else sails my boat, and I absolutely love shopping and I love sharing it with you. So you'll see a lot of shopping hauls on my channel. So in case you enjoy watching such video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is up here and also in the description box. Now moving on to today's video. So I have been collecting all these items that I've shopped recently, and I am trying to resist myself and not use it until I share it with you guys here. So today's haul is going to be a collective skincare, makeup, perfume, body care, and just random item haul. I am sure you're going to love it because I have Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, Mecca, and a lot of other brands in it. So now without any further ado, let's get into the video. This box that I have right here. The first thing I have is from Bath and Body Works. You guys know I am obsessed with Bath and Body Works, especially their scented candles and their body lotions. They are my absolute favorites. I used to use a lot of body shops, hand creams and lotions earlier in the day, but now I have completely moved on to Bath and Body Works because I just feel their fragrances are more vibrant and more towards my taste. So the first thing I have from Bath and Body Works is called this fragrance mist, which is in their variant Mad About You. Now this is a spray body mist. You just spray it like that and it makes you smell amazing. So I keep it in my handbag all the time, and during the day, even if I'm at work, if I feel like I don't usually get body odor, but if I'm still feeling like I'm dull and my body could use some perfume or some boost of fragrance at the moment, then I just spray this all across my neck and I am good to go. It just makes you smell so bright and chirpy and happy, and it just gives you some sort of energy, at least it does to me. So I absolutely love this one. I have used their body lotion last year when I went to India. I took that with me, and that was the only body lotion that I was using all day every day after taking a shower. Not just me, but even everyone around me complimented on that fragrance, and since then that has become one of my top favorite fragrances from Bath and Body Works. In case you haven't tried it before, then definitely try this Mad About You range. That is absolutely amazing. So this is their first body mist. The second item I got from Bath and Body Works is their hand cream, and I've got two hand creams. So the first one is called Japanese Cherry Blossom. It is very strong. At first I don't like the I didn't like the fragrance of it, but over a couple of uses I have sort of started liking it, or I think I've started getting used to this fragrance. This is definitely not one of my very favorites, but it is still not something that I will not use at all and I will have to give it away or throw it away. It is not something like that. I can still after a couple of uses you tend to start liking it. So that's the fragrance that I have. The next one is a good one, which is called You Are The One. So this is, I believe, their new luxury range, because all their packaging are super luxurious. So this is the hand cream that I got. This smells nice. This is very decent. This still has a lot of fragrance in it, but still it is not in your face like the Cherry Blossom one. So that's the second hand cream that I got. Then I have something from Mecca Cosmetics. So Mecca is a big makeup brand here in Australia, like Nykaa in India. So you get all sorts of different brands, and they also produce their own makeup and skincare products. Since I am not much into makeup, I usually tend to go towards the skincare thing, and this time I've bought their hydrogel eye mask. So these are the 5 individual eye mask sheets. So under eye masks, so you just peel it and put those things under your eyes, and then you leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, and then you gradually just slowly massage the serum into your eyes. You don't have to wash it. So this is the thing that I've been loving a lot. I've actually used quite a few of those already. So I've got like 3 packets. So this one comes in a pack of 5. I absolutely love how luxurious the packaging looks like. The last thing from Mecca Cosmetics I got is this face scrub. Oh my god, you guys, I don't scrub my face a lot or very often. I do it maybe once a month. And I wanted to give this scrub a try because I've heard so much good things about it. And since I was shopping at Mecca's, I thought I might as well just buy a body scrub from them instead of using my regular apricot walnut body scrub. So this is their Frank Body Original Face Scrub, and I think I don't know which variant it is, but this is a small travel size pouch packet that you can even carry along whenever you are traveling, because it has this super tight and secure cap on top of it, so it is not going to leak. And this says it buffs away dry skins and calms the breakouts, and they say it is good for 8+ uses. I am pretty sure I'm going to make use of it. Like, I can use this probably 20 times, forget 8 times, because I take just a tiny pea-sized drop of it, and I like to scrub my face, especially my nose and my chin, along with some water, so it makes it like a liquidy sort of consistency. So that's the next body scrub that I got. By the way, I'm going to link all these products that I'm talking about in the description box, so you can check out the items for yourself. Now the next thing is very, very exciting, and I actually bought it off Instagram. So this is something that Instagram made me buy. I was scrolling one day on my Instagram feed, and then this thing popped up. So this is the MX lashes. So these are the magnetic lashes. You guys know I am obsessed with eyelashes. I love using eyelashes, and that is probably the only makeup-y thing apart from lipstick and an eyeliner that I use on my face. I was earlier using the Ardell magnetic lashes, and I liked it, but I was not a very big fan of it because they are good eyelashes, but they don't tend to last very long. So when I saw this, I was like, I have to give this one a try, because it came with a liquid eyeliner, magnetic liner, and oh my god, this is so freaking good. So it comes in a packaging like this. Let me show you. It has a very luxurious packaging, I must say. So it comes with a tweezer with their own MX Lashka logo on top of it. Then it comes with a liquid eyeliner, very easy to apply, and the best thing is it comes in a box like this. When I was saying that it has a very luxurious packaging, this is what I meant. So you open it like this. You have a tiny little mirror over here, so you don't even have to use like your gigantic mirror. You can just use this one. And the best thing is it comes in a pack of 2, so you get like 2 pair of magnetic lashes. I'm actually wearing these ones on top over here, and that is why you see this is the other pair that I have got. They have different variants in it, like according to how full you want your lashes to be. I've got the smallest version. I had earlier bought the medium version, which was too thick for me and too big for me, and since I don't do any other makeup and just putting on so many fake eyelashes, like thick eyelashes, it was looking very weird, so I had to exchange. And I must say the customer service is super amazing. In case you are in Australia and you are looking for a good pair of magnetic eyelashes, definitely go for these guys. They are absolutely amazing. Aftercare service was also good, so I had no problems in returning my eyelashes, and then I ended up getting the smallest, like the first version, which is called the Camille or something. I will put the name here on the screen for you guys so you can see. So these are the ones that I'm wearing right now as well. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but absolutely love them and highly recommend MX Lashes on Instagram. Now let's move on to a couple of skincare and makeup products. Let's start with mascara. I absolutely love my mascaras if I'm not putting on fake eyelashes, or if I'm not getting the eyelash extensions, which you guys who have been following me for the longest time know I get eyelash extensions done quite often. But since I'm not getting any anytime soon, so I thought of buying a new mascara, because all my mascaras were quite old now. And I stumbled upon one of my favorite brands, which is Clinique, and I realized Clinique also makes mascaras. So I bought this one, which is called the Chubby Lash Mascara by Clinique, and oh my god, this is a blessing. I have used so many different brands mascaras, but this is the one that I absolutely love and would highly recommend. In case you have never tried Clinique mascaras, definitely give this Chubby Lash one a try, and oh my god, it is absolutely amazing. It makes your lashes look fuller, thicker, and also the wand separates each lashes, which looks like very natural and very nice on your eyelashes. Like the lashes look very pretty if you use this mascara. I'm not wearing it today because I'm wearing the fake lashes, but on the days that I'm not wearing my eyelashes, I love using this Clinique mascara. Now the next thing I wanted to get is a good sunscreen, since my current one was getting over. So I got this one. I don't know how to say this brand. It is called La Roche-Posay. I will leave the name on top of the screen here. And this is the 50+ SPF, which has UVB plus UVA protection, and I love it because it is very flowy in consistency, and you guys know I love using my sunscreen with my Clinique Moisture Surge. So I mix the two together and then I apply it on my face, and I love that how with this runny liquidy sort of consistency and the gel base from the Clinique Moisture Surge, it makes a very nice semi liquidy sort of consistency that I apply on my face. So there's no oiliness afterwards, and there's no white residue on my face after using this sunscreen. So this is the new sunscreen that I've been trying out and loving so far. Now the next item I bought is this one. Oh my god, I've kept all my products everywhere on my bed. So here's the shampoo and conditioner combo that I am going to try now. You guys who have been following me for a very long time know I experiment a lot with hair care products and my shampoos and conditioners and hair masks and things like that, because I don't tend to use a lot of things on my skin, but with my hair, when it comes to my hair, I go all out and I use a lot of products. Since my OGX shampoo was getting over, I thought of trying something new, and since a lot of you already know, I am trying to avoid sulfur in my shampoo. So this is the one that I got. I saw this. It is by TRESemmé. So it is called the TRESemmé Pro Pure Damage Protect Shampoo and Conditioner. It has 0% sulfate, silicone, parabens, dyes, nothing of that sorts is in there. I love how beautiful the bottle looks like. Very premium packaging. Look at the transparent shampoo. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. You guys know I absolutely love using the same variant of shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, this is what I got and I cannot wait to use this. So this is the new thing that I'm going to be trying out super soon. I was just waiting to film this video. Now the next thing I have is this mask. So I got a pair of masks. So these are two. They are from the brand called Smiggle. The other day I was in the mall and I was actually shopping for one of the kids' birthday party, And you guys who live in Australia know that Smiggles is a good brand for kids stuff like stationery, backpacks and bottles, and you know, fancy lunch boxes and things like that. So I was shopping for him, and then I ended up you know, seeing this on the billing counter, and so I just grabbed it last minute. So it came in with a pack of 2 cotton masks, and since we are you know, we have a compulsion here in Brisbane to wear masks, I think till about 15th of April or something like that. So I thought of getting this one for myself. I kept this one for me. This is the black one which has white, so you can wear it both ways, but I like to wear the black one first. It also comes in with like a adjustable you know, thingy, rope thingy over here, so I can tighten the mask according to my face. It is very, very comfortable, super breezy, super, you know, nice, and it was just $7 for 2 masks, so which made it like $3.50 for one, which is not very expensive, I would say. Like, I'm happy to spend $3.50 on a reusable mask that I can wash and use it again. The second one was a camouflage army print sort of mask that I gave to my husband, so he's using it and I don't have it with me at the moment. Then I ended up getting these furry slippers. Now since you guys know, I live in Australia, and you know, हमारी यहाँ पे सर्दियाँ शुरू होने वाली हैं, and every winter this is my thing. Every winter I buy myself a new pair of fuzzy slippers, and I keep using them for the rest of the winters, and then I just chuck them out because they are very cheap, they're not very expensive. And then next winter I'll go and buy, you know, a new furry slipper. So these are the ones that I got for myself this time. They are very cute baby pink colored slippers, and on top, if you read carefully, it says offline. So these are the ones that I got, and I'm going to be using them for this winter. I love the fur. Oh my god, I love the fur. They are super comfortable, and I love it that they have this solid you know, bottom, so it doesn't slip, and I can still wear it like outside if I'm going just out in the backyard to put my washing out or open the gate or something like that. I can still wear them outside and be very, very comfortable and cozy in it. So these are my new slippers. Then I also ended up getting my fuzzy socks. So these are also something that I buy every winter, like in the beginning of winter. So this is a pair of 2 socks. Yes, this is a pair of 2 furry socks. You can see over here. You'll see me wearing them a lot. Last year I bought a yellow pair. This time I've got the blue ones. So this is how it looks like. So this is plain blue. I love this sort of blue because it gives me a vibe of purple, if you can notice, and if you know me, I am obsessed with purple. So that is why I ended up getting this, and the other one is this white and blue checkered socks. So yeah, that's that. Then I also have something over here. So this is a clothing item. I did not buy a lot of clothing pieces, you know, I haven't bought it like for a while now, but this is something that I needed in my wardrobe. So